Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Welcome back to the class of physics by the Vijay sir. In this class we discussing about the atoms problems. This is a first level problems, very easy. Okay, let's start. Rutherford experiments suggested that the size of the nucleus is about Rutherford experiment size of the nucleus. Size of the nucleus in Rutherford experiment 10 to the power of minus 15 meter to 10 to the power of minus 13 meter. Size of the atom according to Rutherford experiment 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. So our answer option 2 is right answer.
In the Geiger-Masten scattering experiment of the number of scattered particles detected are maxima and minima at the scattering angles respectively at. So, Geiger-Masten scattering experiment, so most of the alpha particles were found to pass through the gold foil without being deviation. Only 0.14 percentage of the alpha particles scattered more than 1 degree. How many degrees? 1 degree. This small number of alpha particle, about 1 in 8,000, practically retrace their path or retrace again 180 degrees, nothing but, or suffered deflection of 180 degrees. So maximum number of particles not deviated. So maximum number of particles not deviated, only in a 8,000 alpha particle only one is deviated 180 degrees. So minimum deviated alpha particle 180 degrees, maximum 0. Our answer option 1 is right answer.
The volume of occupied by an atom is greater than the volume of nucleus by a factor of about. He is asking a factor of about. The volume of nuclei for volume of nuclei 4 by 3 pi r cube here, and volume of this is nuclei r. So volume of atom 4 by 3 pi r a cube. This is the radius of the nuclei below the r is equal radius of the atom. So he asking factor about, then dividing. So 4 by 3 cancel, pi also cancel, remaining Vn nuclear radius 10 to the power of minus 10 all to the power of 3, and atom radius 10 to the power of minus 15 all to the power of 3. So 10 to the power of 10 into 3 minus 30 by 10 to the power of 15 into 3, 45 minus 45. Then 10 to the power of minus 30 plus 45 is equal 10 to the power of 15 is our answer. Check the options. Option 4 is right answer. According to Bohr's principle, the relation between principal quantum number n and radius of the orbit r is. So, Bohr formula r is equal, radius of the atom is equal h square by 4 pi m ke square into n square by z. This is the formula. So, r proportional to n square. The relation between radius and the principal quantum number are proportional to n square. So, our answer is option third is right answer. The region of electromagnetic spectrum that contains Lyman series is Lyman series. So, it is a atom. This is first orbit and the second orbit, third orbit, and so on. In this Lyman series, when a higher energy electrons when a electrons jump from higher orbital to in first orbit, this is the Lyman series. Lyman series. When the electrons jump from higher orbit to in the second orbit, this is the Balmer series. When the electrons jump from higher orbit to third orbit, Paschen series, so on. In this, he asking electromagnetic spectra that contains in Lyman series. Nothing but ultraviolet, first option ultraviolet, second infrared rays, third one visible rays, fourth one X-rays. When electrons jump from higher orbit to in first orbit, here contains ultraviolet rays, UV rays in first orbit, and Lyman series contains ultraviolet rays. Second one is visible rays, third one IR rays, infrared rays. So our option is ultraviolet, nothing but first one is right answer. Visible region contains, we discussing last question also. So it is the atom, this is the first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, so on. When a higher orbit electron jump from higher orbit to first orbit, it is Lyman series. Electrons jump from higher orbit to second orbits, here region is Balmer series. In first region contains ultraviolet rays, second region contains nothing but n is equal to visible rays. Balmer series, this is the Balmer series, contains visible rays. So our option is 2 is right answer. The energy of an electron in a excited hydrogen atom is minus 3.4 electron volts. The angular moment of electron according to Bohr's theory. Okay, given minus 3.4 electron volts. In the first ground state orbits, minus 13.6 electron volts. and first exciting state, second orbit energy levels minus 13 by 6 by 2 square, and third state and minus 13 by 13.6 by 3 square. So here 13.6 by 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, so 3.4, nothing but n is equal to, nothing but it is a second orbit. Angular momentum mvr is equal nh by 2 pi. Here n is equal to 2, h by 2 pi, 2 cancel. Our answer is h by pi. Then mvr is equal h by 2. So check the options. Second option is right. Change in angular momentum of an electron when it jumps from 4th orbit to 5th orbit of hydrogen atom is, angular momentum mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. So it is formula, electron jump from 4th orbit to 5th orbit. So E2 minus E1, then 5th orbit to 4th orbit, then 4 pi, n is equal to 5 h by 2 pi minus 4 h by 2 pi is equal to h by 2 pi. Our answer is h by 2 pi. Nothing but, sorry, our option 1 is correct answer. Option 1 is correct answer. The radius of second stationary orbit in Bohr's atom is r, capital R. The radius of the third orbit in the same atom will be. So he asking, it is the atom, first orbit, this is second orbit, this is the first orbit, and this is the third orbit. What he asking? Second orbit radius capital R. What is the third orbit radius? He asking. Okay, R3 is equal to what? From the information, what is the relation between radius and principal quantum number? R proportional to n square by z. Oh, here given both are only same atom, so z also not required. Then capital R is equal 4, capital R is equal 2 square by R3 is equal 3 whole square. Then R by R3 is equal 4 by 9 is equal R3 is equal 9 by 4 into R. So this is our answer. Third orbit radius 9 by 4 R. Option 4th is right answer. The energy required to excite the electron from ground state of hydrogen atom to first exciting state. He asking ground state to first exciting state. So atom, this is ground state, and this one first exciting state. How much required energy from electron ground state to first excited state, he asking. So in ground state, energy minus 13.6 electron volts, and the second exciting state minus 13.6 by 2 square is equal 13.6 by 4. 4 3s are 12.4. So energy level formula E2 minus E1, then E2 is 3.4 minus again plus 13.6 electron volts, then 10.2 electron volts is required. When electrons jump from one ground state orbit to first exciting state, how much energy required? 10.2 electron volts is required. See, the option third is right answer. The electron jump from higher energy orbits to third energy orbit. Spectral lines emits will belong to option 1 Balmer series, option 2 Paschen series, option 3 Brackett series, option 4 Fond series. In the electrons jump from higher orbits, when the electrons jump from higher orbits to first orbit, Lyman series, in third orbit, second orbit Balmer series, third orbit Paschen series. So higher orbits to jump first orbit Lyman, higher orbit to second orbit Balmer, higher orbit to third orbit Paschen series. So option 2 is right answer. The energy of electron in the ground state of hydrogen atom is minus 13.6 electron volts. The kinetic energy of electron is the fourth orbit is. He asking for in the ground state energy minus 13.6 electron volts. He asking fourth state minus 13.6 by 4 whole square, then 13.6 by 16, 16 8s are 128, so 0.8 remaining 85, 16 5s are 80, so our answer 0.85 is right answer. The diagram shows that the energy levels for an electron in a certain atom, which transition shows represents the emission of photon with the most energy. So he asking in this transition which is the most energy level. N is equal to 1, then energy level minus 13.6, n is equal to minus 3.2, n is equal to 3, energy level minus 1.5, n is equal to 4, minus 0.85. So in first transaction, first one transaction ground state to higher orbit state, so it is the not a emission state, it is the absorption state. So check the second one. In this second one, electron jump from fourth orbit to third orbit, nothing but fourth orbit to third orbit, energy E4 minus E3, then E3 is equal minus 1, E4 is equal to 0.85 minus E3 is equal minus into minus plus 1.5. So this is 5 again 14 అంటే 0.65 is electron volts, 0.65. Second one 0.65 electron volts. Check the third one. N2 minus N1. So nothing but E2 minus E1. E2 means 3.2 minus into minus plus 13.6, then 10.4 is electron volts. It is the maximum transition of the given diagram. So our answer is third one, nothing but option 1 is the right answer. M is the maximum photon. Hydrogen atom does not exist X-rays because of hydrogen atom have a 1 electron and 1 proton only. So it is the very less energy level atom. So these energy levels are very close because of hydrogen atom does not exist X-rays. It's exist visual rays, ultraviolet rays, IR rays. So check the options. It is energy levels are too close to each other. Okay, it is right one. Its energy levels are too far apart. No, higher electrons have a energy levels are too far apart. Its energy, it has a very small mass. This is not also exist. It has a single electron. It has also single electron and single proton. So our answer is the first one is right answer. Its energy levels are too close each other.
Atomic hydrogen is existed from the ground state to nth state. The number of lines of the emission spectrum will be. So it is very known formula. The number of lines emitted from nth state, formula n into n minus 1 by 2. So option 2 is right answer. Which of the following is not correct in Bohr's model of hydrogen atom? The radius of nth orbit is proportional to n square. Right. R proportional to n square. This is right. Second option, the total energy of electron in nth orbit is proportional to n. Nth orbit total energy formula E is equal m e to the power of 4 by 8 h square epsilon naught square into z square by n square. So here E inverse proportional to n square. From this formula option 2 is wrong. So our answer is option 2 is right answer. Which of the following is not correct? Option 2 is not correct. In the Bohr's model of hydrogen atom, the centripetal force is turned by the Coulomb attraction between the proton and the electron. If A0 is the radius of ground state orbit, m is the mass,
E is the charge on the electron and epsilon naught is the vacuum permittivity, the speed of the electron. Speed of the electron formula V is equal E by under root 4 pi epsilon naught A naught into M. So this third is right answer. Which of the following transaction gives photon of maximum energy? In the first region N1, this is the N2. So N1 to N2, N1 to N2. So it is the absorption spectra. It's not gives a photon because first one is wrong. Option first is wrong, and the second one A2, N2 to N1, N2 to N1. It is the emission spectra. So ground state energy minus 13.6, this one minus 13.6 by 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 3.4. Then resultant energy E2 minus E1. So E2 is equal minus 3.4 minus into minus plus 13.6, then is equal 10.2 electron volts. In this one 10.2 electron volts. So check the third option also. According to third option, N2 to 6.1. N2 means this is the lower N2, this is a N6. This is also emittive spectra. Then N2 means N2 value 3.4 electron volts, N6 value nothing but minus 13.6 by 6 means 36, so 0.37. Then resultant energy E6 minus E2 nothing value 3.4, 0.37, 30.3. Third value is 2 to 6. Third value 2 to option third 2 to 6. So 2 to 6 means it is the absorption spectra, because it's not right. Check the fourth one. Fourth one is 6 to 2. This is the N6. This is the N2. So N2 value 3.4 and N6 value nth orbit value 0. At the option 2 is right answer. Maximum energy option 2 is right answer. N is equal to 2, N is equal 1. The Bohr's model of atom. The Bohr's model of atom assume that the angular moment of electron is quantized. Yes, it is right answer. Why? Because angular momentum, assume that the angular momentum of electron is quantized. Angular momentum
mvr is equal nh by 2 pi. So here this angular momentum quantized means multiply with numbers, nothing but this value are constant, so angular momentum is quantized. Option 1 is right answer. Bohr's model for the hydrogen atom predicted that the absorption spectra involves, he asking absorption spectra, accelerating electron, wrong, deceleration electron, wrong, electron going to higher kinetic energy levels, no, it's according to atom predict that the absorption spectra, so it is the absorption spectra, because electrons going to higher kinetic energy levels, so it is also wrong. Electrons going to lower momentum levels, right, fourth one is right answer. It is the absorption spectrum because electron going to lower momentum levels.